Introducing the Takstar SGC-598 condenser microphone, specially designed for cameras with the use for interviews and other applications. Hello and welcome to FMRevu. I'm your host, Freddie Robinson, and today I will bring my loyal viewers an in-depth look at the Takstar condenser microphone, model number SGC-598. Inside this box is a velvet microphone carrying case, a paper owner's operation guide, a bag of extra shock mounts, and the shotgun microphone. And now let's take a closer look at this microphone. The outside has a flat black finish, which is good for concealing scratches and fingerprints. You also have gray fonts which stand out that identify the brand and model number. A rich black windscreen covers the condenser, providing protection and noise reduction. This side also offers 3 operation switches, which are power, tone sensitivity, and bass filter. The first switch is the bass filter, which reduces ambient noise when turned on. The middle switch is the tone sensitivity, which will increase mic volume by 10 decibels. And the last switch is simply the power, which will turn the device on when pressed up. Turning this mic over provides access to the battery compartment, which slides off to reveal a 1.5 volt AA battery source. This side also contains a spiral cord with an L-shaped 3.5mm end that connects to your camera. On the back of the mic is a single LED bulb that indicates power status and battery life. Green means power is on with a full battery, and red means power is on but with a low battery. Up front is the removable windscreen that covers the boom tube. When you take this off, you can see the condenser vents. These pick up different sound tones at different distances. This means certain waves are shorter and are picked up closer to the tip, while other sounds are longer and are picked up further down the tube. The paperwork included for this microphone states the mic is made of 100% aluminum material, which provides great anti-noise interference along the mic's axis. This results in a stable recording environment, leading to clean, clear audio. Moving on, this camera has a built-in mount that reduces mechanical noise from camera operations and vibrations. The box includes multiple spare plastic pieces in case they need replacing. You also get a wire clip for a slight bit of cable management, and wrapping up is a camera clip nut that allows for camera attachment to compatible DSLR models. Now I will list some features of this mic. It has a 3.5mm connector for easy connection to cameras, phones, or other devices. A rugged aluminum mic housing that provides EMI resistance. A low power indicator LED. Powered by 1.5 volt AA battery, which provides up to 100 hours playtime. A shockproof design which reduces mechanical noise and vibrations. A high sensitivity condenser specially designed for cameras. A plus 10 decibel sensitivity boost and 200 Hz bass filter, and a cardioid directivity characteristic that reduces ambient noise. And moving on to the technical specs. It has a rear condenser transducer, 50 Hz to 16 kHz frequency response, negative 32 decibel sensitivity, plus 10 decibel bass filter, 200 ohm output impedance, and 1.5 volt power requirements. Now it's time for a sound comparison test between my camera's onboard mic and the Takstar. Soft Sole Waterproofer. Repels moisture. Danger. Extremely flammable. Contents under pressure. See additional precautions on back panel. Net weight 7.5 ounces. 213 grams. Soft Sole Waterproofer. Repels moisture. Danger. Extremely flammable. Contents under pressure. See additional precaution on back panel. Net weight 7.5 ounces or 213 grams. So, as you can tell from this sound test, adding the microphone to my camera greatly improves the audio volume and clarity. And I have found this mic is perfect for entry-level or amateur audio-video productions such as my videos and YouTube channel. If you've been following my channel for a while, you may notice an earlier second video on this model mic, and that's because I have bought the same microphone several years ago. But over time and many videos later, I noticed some malfunctions with that one. So I decided to purchase a new one. That camera withstood moving from my apartment to my house and taking the camera and mic from location to location for different videos, and proved itself to be rugged and durable respectfully. For the price and ease of setup, the quality of this mic can't be beat, and I highly recommend this for anyone looking to start a channel, vlog, or light video projects. Thank you for watching this presentation of FMRevu. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to keep more awesome, free content coming your way.
3, 2, 1, action!
Hello. Hello, and welcome to FMRevu. I'm your host, Freddie Robinson. Never fails, always make a mistake. Inside the box, you get a velvet carrying case, a paper. Let's see, what do you get? Let's just say that is a spec sheet. Okay. Now then. All right. Yes, it is right. And now let's take a closer look at this camera. Okay. Let's see here. Hold on. Is there at all? Is there a battery in here? It is not. On the very back of the microphone, you do have a, what is it, power indicator. Okay. You do have a removable windscreen, which will house. And now I'll go over some of the features and specs of this microphone. It has a high sensitivity condenser mic. And now I will go over some of the features of this microphone. Introducing the Takstar condenser microphone. Especially, I don't know why I keep saying that. Introducing the Takstar SGC, not SLA. Introducing the Takstar SGC-598 condenser microphone, specially designed for cameras, interviews, and other applications. It matches with a major brand of video camera.